How to fix Facebook page not found in search. Tap on your account icon at the top, and from here go and tap on the gear icon, which is the setting icon, and now just tap on page settings here. Now under privacy, tap on public posts. Now make sure that all of this are in public mode and no one is in the privacy section. And also you have to see if there is any restriction either for country or age. If that's so, you can just disable on it. Also, if your Facebook page is new and you have not posted much, this problem might occur because Facebook will only display the pages those are popular. So make sure that you are very active in your content creation, and that might also help to fix this problem. So that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.